good, good offensive performance again. I thought we got better defensively as the game went along. Obviously, what Trae did tonight was exceptional, off the charts. As he said in the locker room afterwards, a lot of guys made a lot of shots for him, but he made a lot of good plays for a lot of guys as well. So good to see guys moving the ball. Good to see guys, getting thing out of backcourt at a good rate. And again, I thought we improved defensively as the game went along. So got to keep getting better.
That's it. Northwestern State.
A lot of credit to my teammates. I mean, that's big time. But I wouldn't be able to make an assist, without my teammates knocking it down. So they did a tremendous job making shots for me tonight. But that's a big accomplishment because it's not only an individual award. For me, I feel like it's a team thing, and so that's big for me more than anything else.
Kind of made the game a lot easier. You get a lot more layups, a lot more open looks, and it's a lot less dribbling you have to do. So it's always a pleasure to have a point guard that can find you the way he does and attracts so much attention with the defense. And he's always causing double teams, and that's open shots for me and everybody else on the team.